So this thing rocks and rolls for your cafe, for your restaurant, even for a simple cafeteria line. This will work really, really well. So let me go over the quick installation guide for you. First things first, you go ahead, hook up your water right there. Then you're going to check the level as it fills your ice bank. When it hits the magic line, you turn off the water and the ice bank is full. From there, you hook up your water supply. Now, make sure it's filtered, make sure you have good water. Then, power it up. It's going to take at least 40 minutes for it to get cold. While you're waiting for that to happen, hook up your CO2. Make sure your gauges are reading properly. All right, that you're not overpressurizing. Right now, we're right around 3 bar. Life is good. So, power up the CO2. Everything's going to start rocking and rolling back here. Inside, from the previous video, you'll see a bleeder valve on top of the CO2 system, and you need to bleed it out a little bit until you start seeing water come out. That means you're ready to go. So let it cool for a while, and you can polish it up, make it look pretty, and go hook up 5, 6 more of them for all your other restaurants or your friends' places or whatever. So let me show you some of the operations of it. Now, why the Chemex is underneath? Great question. I can't do this with a third hand. I don't have one. So first things first, we're going to go to the cold water. This is just cold filtered water. So let's give a pull on the handle. Hey, real nice flow. It's going to be cold. Everybody's happy. And when you fill your bottle, pitcher, carafe, whatever, turn the thing off. I like this much better than the push button for anybody's models, mostly because these valves are pretty much bulletproof. So there's your nice ice cold water in your vessel. Now let's go to the carbonated side. Look, it has bubbles right here. So we all know there will be bubbles coming. Now, this has been chilling for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. The bubbles will be there. The colder it gets, the better the fizz gets. So you want to make sure you're nice and cold. And here we go. Beautiful, small bubble sparkling water. So if everybody wants to do Italian sodas, or if you have Pellegrino or Saratoga water or some other fizzy water in your place, buy bottles. You don't need to keep adding and adding and adding to your inventory and to your cost levels. And now you have great sparkling water. So this is the Blu Pura, okay? It's the Blu Bar Fizz 80 liters an hour in other words. It runs on a very simple, hey, look at this, nothing special. All right, it's a 110, it's 15 amp plug. This machine only pulls a little under, they say 3.4, let's call it 4 amps, and they say about 330 watts. So if you have a mobile system, this is a great machine for you. If you want pricing and availability, shoot me an email, george@thebizofcoffee.com. Again, george@thebizofcoffee.com, and we'll see what happens from there.